In this video, we'll show you what to do if you can't make any phone calls from your Samsung Galaxy phone. So to fix this, first head to the settings app and then go to connection. Now here you should see an option called flight mode or airplane mode. Simply enable it. Now wait for a couple of seconds and then turn it off. So this will refresh your phone's network connection and hopefully fix any problems. Next, go to the SIM manager option. Now here make sure your preferred SIM card is enabled from here. If you have multiple SIM cards, make sure the correct one is set for calls using this option. Next, go back to the main settings page, scroll down and then go to security and privacy. In here, scroll down and you will see this option called auto blocker. Now scroll down again and you will see this option called maximum restrictions. Make sure to turn it off if you have this option enabled. This can sometimes prevent your phone from connecting to 2G networks when you are in the outskirts of the city. So make sure to turn this option off. Finally, if nothing else works, your last option is to simply reset your mobile network settings. For that, scroll all the way down and then tap on General Management. Now here tap on Reset and here select Reset Mobile Network Settings. Finally, select Reset Settings to confirm. Make sure to restart your Samsung phone after doing all of this. Once you have done this, you should be able to make phone calls as usual.